Alright guys, so we are adding terms here. So if we look at these three problems here, we have 0.4a plus 1.2a. The important thing is both of them contain the same letter. So since we can do that, the letters are the same, we're going to add together their numbers in front, which are called coefficients. So all this is 0.4 plus 1.2. So if we do, whoops, let me change my pen, 1.2 plus 0.4, if we add those, we get 1.6, and then you'll put the variable, which is an a, and that's an a, not a 9. For the next one, we have 0.6 plus 0.8, that would be 1.4, then the letter M. And for our final one, we have 0.8 plus 1.8. So if I write that out, make sure we line up our decimals when we're adding decimals. 8 and 8, 16, carry the 1, you get a 2 with the decimal, 2.6. I'll try to make the fancy A here, so 2.6a. So that's all you're doing for those when they have decimals. With fractions, we're going to do the same thing. So we want to verify we have the same letters. So for this one, it's 3/7 plus 2/7 So we're going to combine the fractions in front of the letter. Now, both fractions have the same denominator, so life is easy. So we are going to simply do 3 plus 2, which is 5 over 7 with the letter P. Another way you may see this written is with the variable in the numerator. So you can technically do this. Either one will work. Whether the letter is in the top or over on the side, they are actually equal. For the last one, we will have 4 plus 7, both over 9. So 4 plus 7 is 11, so that's 11/9 with our letter N. Once again, you could also have 11n over 9. Either one of those is a good answer. If we made this a mixed number, 9 goes into 11 once without going over, then there are 2 more left over, so 1 and 2/9 n is another possible answer. So once again, all 3 of these would work. And let's see if I can do a fancy way to circle them. Look at that. There you go. Alright, for our last 2 problems here, we once again have fractions, but the difference here is these fractions do not have common denominators. So we're going to look at the first one, 1/2 x plus 2/5 x. The important thing is both letters are the same, both variables are the same. So our answer is going to have a variable of x. So we have to combine the numerators. So we're going to do 1/2 plus 2/5. OMG! Adding fractions with different denominators. You thought this was never going to show up again. Wrong. So we are going to boom, boom, pow. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So we will do now our numerators. 4 plus 5 is 9. And so that is 9/10 x. Or another way you could have it is 9x over 10. Either one would be correct. For the second one here, so we have 4/5 plus 1/3. So we are going to boom, boom, pow. So this would be 5 times 1 is 5. And then we will do 3 times 4, which is 12, over 5 times 3, which is 15. So this will become then 17 over 15, and we put our letter Y. So once again, we can get away with this just combining the letters, because both just combining the numbers in front are the coefficients because the variables are the same. That's it. Well, see you later. Bye.